How I unsuspended my suspended Twitter X account, recover suspended Twitter account on mobile. If your Twitter or X account has been suspended and you want to get it back, in this video I'll show you the exact method I used to recover my own suspended account using only a mobile phone. First, open the X app on your mobile and try to log in. You will see a message saying your account has been suspended. Don't worry, right below that message you will find an option that says Appeal or File an Appeal. Tap on that. You will now be redirected to the X Help Center. Here you need to fill out a small form. In the first section, clearly describe what happened. Explain that your account was suspended by mistake and you believe you did not violate any rules. Keep your message polite and simple. Next, enter your email address and the username of your suspended account. Make sure both are correct because X will contact you through this email. After submitting the form, you will receive an automated email from Twitter support. Just reply to that email and restate briefly that your account was suspended by mistake and you would like a review. Now wait for the response. In my case, it took a few days. X support reviewed my information, and once they confirmed everything was correct, my account was restored. You may receive another email saying your account is now unsuspended. At that point, simply open the app and log in again. This method works as long as your suspension is eligible for review. Follow each step carefully, stay patient, and there is a good chance you can get your suspended X account back.